Alright, so we're going to go through how to add styles. I'll do two different styles, one based on time, one based on attendance. So you're going to want to click on Setup in the top right, come over to Company Setup, come down to Martial Arts, and then down to Style. So you're going to have MMA in here already by default. You can delete it if you like, edit it. I'm going to add some new ones. So let's do the first one by time. So let's say Taekwondo. The progression method you want to set to time, and then minimum attendances per month is going to be, say, 8 attendances for a month to count. So you can do both. You can say they have to show up for, say, 3 months, but a month won't count unless they show up 8 times. Or you can set it to 0 and just kind of have it predict your testing days based on that. So once you've done this part of it, you need to create your age groups. So age groups are going to be for two different things mainly. One will be attendance. So when you scan someone in, if they're a class of their age group is running, it'll know to put them there. And also it's going to be to say how long they need to stay in the rank for. So you may only have one age group, but you do need to add at least one. And if you have multiple age groups within the style, you add more than one. So I'll add a couple. So we'll say youth, TKD. And you want to label it like I am, with the Taekwondo in there. So we'll just say 1 to 12 or something like that. And then you save. We'll go back and we'll add the second one. Okay, so we've got the 2 age groups for the style. Now we go back. So then the next thing you'll want to do is add your ranks. So we'll say new for the first rank, and this will be white. So we'll say 4 stripes, and this is the first rank in the series. So let me save. So it's going to create our stripes for us automatically. And it's also going to create 2 rank progresses, one for each age group. So you can see here the style is Taekwondo, the rank is white, and the age group is adult. So you do need to click on each of these and say how many months they need to stay in this rank for. So for adults, maybe it's only 2. And this is the number of months between the last stripe and the exam. So it's only 2 months in this rank, so I'm just going to put 0. But you do have to put 0. You can't leave that blank. So we'll just save, go back, and do the same thing for the youth age group. So maybe this is 4 months instead, and I do require 1 month between the last stripe and the exam. So it can be a little different for adults and youth. So you go back and back again. So then you need to add the second one. So this would be yellow. Same amount of stripes, and this is the second rank. So what this use previous rank progression will do is copy what we put for white in the rank progress tab. So when I save and come in here again, you can see that the months to graduate is already filled in, but unfortunately this does not fill in, so you do need to come in here and fill in the months between the last stripe. So we'll go into adult and do the same thing, and save. So you just need to do that for all your ranks. Okay, so I'm going to go back and add another style based on attendance. So we'll say maybe Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu by attendance, and then you save. So again, we need to create our age group. So maybe for this one, it's only adults take Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, so I do still need to create at least one age group. So maybe this one is 13 to 99 or something like that. So then you save. So now, again, we can start adding our ranks. So you say new. So the rank order is the first, and then save. So again, it does the stripes and the rank progress for you. So this time there's only 1 because we only have the 1 age group for Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You click on it. Now, down at the bottom here is where you do attendance. So you use one or the other. In this case, we chose attendance. So maybe it takes 10 attendances to graduate, and I want 2 attendances between the last stripe and the exam. So then you just save, go back again, and continue adding your ranks that way. So number of stripes is 4, rank order is 2. So if you don't use stripes, you can just 0 it out just like that, and you'll see it won't create any stripes for this rank. But I do still need to go into the rank progress and say how many attendances are required, and how many between the last stripe and the exam. So you can add as many ranks